Okay, I don't know if this is gonna be too visible. I think it should be, but we have to cut this to zip ties. We're gonna move this little harness a little bit, and right here we're gonna have like two Phillips, two bolts, and we're gonna use a screwdriver. We have to do this. There we go. I'm gonna push this a little bit, and it's pretty simple to do. I'm gonna disconnect this wire right here, this plug, and then I'm gonna pull it. It's a little bit tricky with one hand. And that's it. Okay, now we're gonna install this one. Should be easy. Okay, like this, in this position. And then we're gonna take the cable. Now, what we have to do, we have to push this one through. And now we're gonna take this screwdriver, screw. We're gonna use the bar screwdriver. I don't remember if I put this one switch, but it doesn't really matter. And then we're gonna put the other one. Ah! It's not too visible for me, but it should go right there. Now we have the second screw, and it's gonna be like a little bit harder to install. So what I did, I used a little bit of tape, no matter which one, and I put it like this, and after I go like this, and boom, now I tape it so it's not gonna fall down, I think. And it should be easier. Nice. Still in good position. Yes. Okay. Now I'm gonna move this a little bit this way. Boom. Ready? And we just have to put on again 2 zip ties right here, one right here and the other one right there, but that's easiest. So pretty much that's it. That's the process.